Hello and a warm welcome. This is the Warcry reporter. Battle reports to listen to. And we will follow the Bugman's Regulars. The Bugman's Regulars are a Haradron Overlord warband. They are led by Vigard Birchhammer. With him is Thongil. Furthermore we have Odo, Tashar and Warfare. All three are armed with a Skypike. Raspin is armed with a light Skyhook. Rotan is carrying an Ethermatic volley gun into battle. And last but not least, we have Rofo. And now the fighters move on to the battlefield. The Bugman's Regulars have the initiative. But Cariel rampages on forward. Big Out is his target. And yeah, I can hear Rotan's laughter. And his victim is Rahim. This fight not over yet, huh? You listen, you ogres, you listen. You will get some bloody cowards with your
That was
Thongil, my dear listeners. Thongil. This was the Warcry reporter. Have a very good day. Until next time.